Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm rocking this really cute bob wig, and I'm just feeling myself as if it's not already obvious, and I feel like it looks so good on me. Argue with your keyboards. So if you want to see how I achieved this, just keep watching. So I was pretty excited. I got my hair from Riverwoodhair, and I have their 12-inch bob wig. I have it on my wig head. It's pretty cute or whatever. She cute. Yeah, so as you can see, it has like I think 3 adjustable pins or clips, whatever you call it, I don't really know. And it's a lace front wig, 12 inches. I decided to go for a middle part because I normally go for like side parts a lot. And this is actually like my second bob wig, but then the first one I got was really trash. It was really scanty, and I got it from a really trash brand. But then this is bomb AF. Yeah, so as you can see, I actually bleached the knots. I did that a day before. I didn't really do a lot of plucking just because I'm lazy with plucking, if you guys don't already know. And because I was just going to go for like a middle part, and it wasn't looking so bad, so you weren't going to see like the sides. So right now I already did the ball cap method off camera, and if you want to see how I did that, you can go ahead and watch my previous videos and you'll see how I got that. I actually have like 3 videos on me installing my wig, and I did all of that, so I don't really need to go through that again. So just because I'm not going to be explaining how I'm getting my hair done, you guys will just watch. If you want to see like a detailed explanation, like I said, go to my other videos. I'm just going to give like a quick review on this hair. So this hair is so bomb. That's one thing you need to know first of all, but then I'm going to tell you the pros and the cons, but then I'll start with the cons, so we'll end on a good note. Yeah, so one of the cons of this hair, sadly, is that it has shedding. It sheds, but then it's not so bad, but then it is more than I would normally get from my other wigs. I don't know why, but then it came as a wig. I didn't make it into a wig myself, so I can't really say it's because I cut the tracks or anything. No, it actually sheds, and I'll say the shedding is quite is a little bit bad, but not so bad. I feel like it's manageable. Just don't over comb your hair and you're good. Other than that, it is quite full for a bob wig. Like the last bob wig I had, like I told you guys, it was not full. It was really trash, but this is so full and I love it so much. And that's all for the cons. And okay, maybe I'll say another con is that it doesn't really come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. But then if you want to go for like just a middle parting like me, you don't really need to pluck it, and then you can just go ahead with your foundation. I'd say not a lot of work was done to the customization of this wig. Other than that, everything else is a pro. The hair is soft, it doesn't tangle. Like for how long I've worn it for, it does not tangle, and it is quite affordable in my opinion. It is affordable, the length is perfect. I didn't need to cut it or do anything. All I did was just use my flat iron and my hot comb just to make it flat and silk, whatever. I don't even know. Sleek, I don't know. Excuse me guys. So English is not my first language, so please nobody should judge me. Anyways, it had very minimal flyaways, which I could fix with just styling moves. It was really that easy. And what else, you guys can just see for yourself. It takes heat properly. I actually applied some heat protector just to avoid heat damage or whatever. As you see, it is really bouncy, not so bouncy, but then just the way a bob wig should be. Then for the price, I don't really know what the price is, but then I think it's $65 if I'm not mistaken, but if I'm wrong, I'm just going to leave all the details in the description box below so that you guys can like see everything you need to know about it, their website and everything. And yeah, so that's basically it for this hair. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer your questions. This is a wig I feel everybody needs. It's summer, it's really hot, where I am. I'm in China. If you didn't know, it's very very hot here in Shenyang, China. So this is like the perfect wig. You don't have hair all over your body or anything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for 1.7k subscribers. I love you guys so much. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go to my channel, scroll down, you see other videos I believe you will like, and make sure you like, share with your friends, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this hair. Would you be getting it or not? Make sure you check Riverwoodhair out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.